In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically email reports in QuickBooks online. Let's dive right in. To start with, you'll need to run any report that you want to have automatically emailed to you. This is an essential first step because you need to have the specific report open that you want to set up for automatic delivery. Once you have your report open, you'll notice a series of icons at the top right of the screen. Look for the three dots icon, which is situated right next to the Save button. This icon is your gateway to additional options and features for your report. Click on it, and from the drop-down options that appear, select Schedule Report. This action will take you to a new screen, which is where you'll create the workflow automation for your report. On this workflow creation screen, you'll have the opportunity to tailor the automation settings to fit your specific needs. You'll begin by editing the start date and time. This feature allows you to choose exactly when you'd like the automation process to commence. Additionally, you'll set up the frequency of the report being emailed. This can be customized to suit your preferences, whether you want the report sent daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on how often you need it. Another critical feature is the option to set an end date for the scheduled workflow. This means you can define precisely how long you want this automation to run, which is especially handy if this is for a temporary project or reporting period. Setting an end date helps keep your inbox organized and ensures you only receive reports as long as they're relevant. Once you've set the start date, time, frequency, and end date to your liking, it's time to finalize your setup. Go ahead and click on Save and Turn On. Doing this activates the workflow you've just created. It's a satisfying moment because it means you've just automated your report delivery, freeing up your time for other tasks. And there you have it. Your report is now set up to be automatically emailed from QuickBooks Online. It's a simple yet powerful feature that can enhance your workflow efficiency, ensuring you never miss an important financial update. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this feature as useful as I do. Stay tuned for more QuickBooks tips and tricks, and until next time, happy accounting.